UnrealShot AI has just been released, and it's already making waves in the AI software world. If you're wondering whether this is the best AI tool to use right now, stay tuned. I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about UnrealShot AI, and why this might just be the game changer you're looking for. First, let me just tell you that UnrealShot AI is packed with features designed to revolutionize your workflow, especially for creators, marketers, and businesses. But what makes it stand out from the crowd of other AI tools? Well, for starters, it's designed to be user-friendly and it's incredibly intuitive, making complex tasks feel like a breeze. The AI's ability to process large amounts of data and provide actionable insights is one of the things that truly impressed me. Now, if you're someone who's tried other AI tools, you'll notice that UnrealShot AI offers a unique level of customization. Whether you're working with image or video editing, this software lets you adjust the AI's decisions, so you don't feel like you're just relying on a black box. You have control over the process, which I know is a big plus for many of us who don't want to be at the mercy of a machine. But here's something you probably didn't know. UnrealShot AI uses deep learning to adapt and improve with every task it completes. So the more you use it, the smarter it gets. This is one of the most exciting aspects of the software. It doesn't just sit there and churn out results. It learns from your inputs and evolves to fit your needs. For those of you working on long-term projects, this means it gets better with time and your efficiency skyrockets as a result. One of the biggest selling points of UnrealShot AI is its speed. Many AI tools out there might seem powerful, but when it comes to actually getting the job done, they often fall short. UnrealShot AI, on the other hand, delivers quick results without sacrificing quality. If you're working with tight deadlines, this can be a real game changer, as you won't have to spend hours waiting for your project to finish processing. What about the range of applications? UnrealShot AI isn't just for one specific task. Whether you're creating ads, social media content, or even editing video or audio, it's flexible enough to handle a variety of use cases. So if you're someone juggling multiple roles, or if you work in a team, this software can keep up with your demands. No need for multiple apps when UnrealShot AI has everything you need in one platform. Now let's talk about pricing. You're probably wondering how much this tool costs, and I get it, but here's the kicker. UnrealShot AI offers a completely free trial. That's right, no risk involved. You can try out the software for yourself through the first link in the description below. This allows you to test it out and see if it truly meets your needs before you make any commitment. Trust me, it's worth testing out, especially since it could save you a lot of time and money in the long run. As you dig deeper into the software, you'll realize it also offers some powerful analytics features. With UnrealShot AI, you can track your progress, analyze results, and even adjust your strategy. For marketers, content creators, or business owners, this data-driven approach can be a huge advantage. Understanding what works and what doesn't allows you to continually improve and scale your efforts. Before you head off to try it out, I want to remind you that I've tried and reviewed thousands of AI tools, and UnrealShot AI stands out as one of the most versatile, user-friendly, and powerful options available. If you're looking to supercharge your workflow, this is definitely one to keep an eye on. And don't forget, there are links in the description for more AI software I've personally vetted and recommend. You can try them for free, just like UnrealShot AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.